This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Vernon Powell.
Thanksgiving is just 2 days away, and if you're anything like us, you just can't wait. You can almost smell the turkey and taste that cranberry sauce. And of course, after Thanksgiving comes Black Friday.
That one you don't exactly have to wait for if you're shopping at Vernon Powell. Their Black Friday sale already started. And as they like to do, DelmarvaLife's Katie Zarelli and Vernon Powell's Joe Wright are telling us about it in a spectacular way.
Welcome one and all to the 2023 VP Black Friday Parade. Beautiful day for a parade. This is a tradition we look forward to each and every year. I'm here alongside my co-host, Joe Wright. Joe, you must be excited to see what we've got going on this year.
Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful day, and we've got all these people on hand to watch this parade, Katie.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out today and celebrating with us.
Nothing would make me happier, and I think, Joe, our first float is arriving now.
It looks like we have the lady shoe float.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at those tall boots. And of course we have mid-height, low-height boots, all kinds of different boots.
Lots of different color schemes. You know, you've got your gray boots, you've got your brown boots, you've even got loafers on there, Joe.
Loafers, we have hey dudes, athletic shoes.
Wow.
Anything you need for the holiday gifting season, footwear-wise, is on that float.
Wow, it's perfect.
You know what? You know what's really cool about that float, Katie?
Tell me, Joe.
Every one of those shoes is 20% off.
No way!
Yeah.
How does that happen?
Black Friday.
A Thanksgiving miracle.
That's right.
Wow. And as quick as we saw the float come, there it goes.
I wonder what's next.
Me too.
Oh, there comes the guy's shoes.
Oh, there they are. I like that it's ladies first. You know, now time for the guys.
Of course.
Now, Joe, on this float, I really gotta say, that bright blue Asics shoe is just, it's got my attention.
Oh yeah, that one's cool. That just came in. That's a Kayano.
Ooh.
And then, of course, we have New Balance and Brooks on there. What about those work boots? They look tough, don't they?
They sure do, I'll tell you. You get
Not-
any job done in those.
Not as extra tough. Did you see that one there, too?
Oh, that's right there, too.
See how I did that?
You're nailing this. You know, you were born to be on the TV, Joe.
And you probably can't see the camo Crocs.
Wait, there's camo Crocs on there.
Fur lined, actually, so, you know, keep your feet nice and warm for the winter.
They did a lot of work on that float. Really happy to see it. Great year for the men's shoes.
Yeah.
And now, Joe, while we wait on this next float, which obviously there's of course some traffic in every single parade, those men's shoes, 20% off.
20% off.
Wow.
Every one of them.
Unbelievable.
Yep. Oh, there's the kids.
Oh, I can hear the crowd screaming now.
Oh man, when you make a shoe that small, they all look cute. Of course, we have extra tough, and we have athletic shoes for kids. We have kids boots, like they kind of look like dad's boots. So,
Sure, yeah.
of course.
I like
you know,
that. I
mommy
like
and me, daddy and me.
Yeah, you gotta have them.
Yeah,
right?
cool stuff.
Oh wow, I'm surprised. Now I'm surprised the kids aren't just gonna run across the street and grab these off the float because they're gonna want them so much.
You bet, you bet.
20% off, Joe?
Hey, you bet. Every one of those things is 20%
Hey,
off.
this is the best 20% off parade ever.
It's kind of becoming a theme.
It sure is. I love a themed parade, so we're doing well here. All right, Joe, what are you seeing out there?
It looks like apparel.
Oh, it is!
Men's apparel.
Men's apparel.
Yeah.
It appears to be men's apparel. A nice tall float for us coming up next.
Yep, from the North Face and Patagonia. We have a lot of flannels this year. There's hoodies, jackets, vests, all kinds of stuff. Great
Yeah,
for the holidays.
Really looks great for the winter, too. You guys always have the big names
We do.
showing up in this parade.
We do. You know what's interesting about that apparel?
What's that?
It's 20% off.
Get out of town.
I'm serious. It is.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
blowing my mind here.
Look, and right behind it, here comes women's.
Wow.
We've got a lot of different brands this year.
Oh,
New
that's
brands.
right, Joe. There it is.
Fashion. What? Hey,
Hey,
where'd you get that? Did
Oh,
you take that off the float?
this Patagonia coat, did I get it off the float? I may know somebody. Anyway,
I was talking about the ladies' apparel.
this looks great. I love the fall fashion you guys always have here at Vernon Powell.
Vests and jackets, and of course we have accessories. Look at all those handbags.
Yeah, do you think any of those would go with my coat?
They would. And you know what's interesting about those handbags?
I have a guess.
They're all 20% off.
Oh, of course they are. Is this 20% off?
They are. Yes. Sure is.
Amazing.
Yes. Oh, and here comes the kids.
Oh, the kids!
Yes.
Wow, the kids float, always exciting to see, Joe. And I gotta tell you, what catches my eye is that hat with the ears.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a Patagonia hat.
Wow.
Yeah, we have lots of little toboggans, and I like the Sister Grinch shirt there.
Oh, that's
That's so cool.
right.
Yep.
It's not Christmas without the Grinch, right?
It's not. So we got footwear and apparel, and guess what?
What's that?
It's all 20% off.
Of course it is.
Through Cyber Monday.
Oh yeah, through Cyber Monday. All right, well this has been an amazing parade.
It has. You know what's always at the end of our parade?
Yeah.
At the end of every holiday parade?
Yes.
It's, oh, there he is.
Oh my gosh, it's him!
Ho, ho, ho!
I have always loved that moment where you spot Santa Claus coming down the street. on
It's my
Thanksgiving.
favorite. I wait for that, and every single time I cry. I cry like a baby, just like what I do when I see Cinderella's castle.
That's
I
so
love it.
wonderful.
I love it.
Vernon Powell's Black Friday sale runs through Cyber Monday, November 27th. They also have an offer that if you spend $200 on Yeti merchandise, you'll get a $25 Vernon Powell gift certificate. I am there.
Love that, absolutely. Lots
be
of
right
great
back.
things.
We'll be right back.